Hi everyone, I'm Ann Urok and I'm here to talk to you today about mission and vision statements. So who I am, I graduated from high school in Chase County, Kansas from their senior high school. I got my associate's degree from Cloud County Community College in business, and then I got my bachelor's of science degree from Kansas State University in secondary education business. In the past year, I purchased my first home, in which my parents and siblings and myself have dedicated a lot of time to fixing up. Besides that, I love spending my time with my family and my dog, Dolly, and going to the lake and camping and watching sports like K-State football. So what I do, I'm a fifth-year teacher at Hope Schools in Hope, Kansas. Hope Schools is a pre-K through 12 building that has about 100 students in it. I currently teach business to 8th through 12th grade. I am the district CTE coordinator. I am the head junior high girls volleyball coach, when previous years I have been the assistant coach for high school, where we were the 2019 1A state runner-ups. I am the head junior high girls basketball coach, assistant track coach, the advisor for the FBLA chapter. I am the junior class sponsor, and I deal with the summer weights during the summer. And the pictures on the top left is a picture of me in my brand new home, to me. And then the bottom left is a picture of my parents and my siblings. And then the middle is a picture of me and my dog on our first day of school this year. And the bottom middle is our 2019 state runner-up volleyball team. On the right is one of my junior high basketball teams, at which they won league that year. So what is a school's mission statement? A school's mission statement is the perfect way to communicate the direction and focus of the school environment. Essentially, the mission statement should be how you want people to describe your school as. The school's vision statement is an outline of a school's values and objectives. They provide parents and the community a brief but clear overview of the overall character of the school. What is the role and importance of a school mission and vision? The role of the school's mission and vision statements show the reason why the school exists and what it wants to achieve. Both of these statements give a clarity and direction for the school. Essentially, they show the main core purpose for the school. How do school mission and vision statements work together? These statements feed off each other when trying to get a message across. According to Chris Drew, these statements can act as a guiding North Star for school administrators who aim to make decisions that live up to these statements. The mission and vision statements together are a way the school can communicate with current and prospective families on what their goals are for their school and students. What are the processes of collaboratively developing mission and vision? There are many processes that school can collaboratively create a mission and vision statement that can involve all of its stakeholders, which includes students, teachers, parents, and the community. Every student develops these into a roadmap that is a beginning, not an end. Included in this roadmap process are that principals want sustainable shared vision for its high-performing students and adults, organized around 4 key processes: casting, implementing, communicating, and sustaining the school's vision. So what are the processes for developing an actionable mission and vision attended to values and priorities? So the roadmap is a process that gets everyone involved. It has values and what hopes and dreams are for the students the school serves and to be committed to them. These are the foundation that these are built on. Without them, the statements have little hope of being inspirational or aspirational. So data. We use data to look at strengths and areas of improvement in curriculum and instruction. Technology, successfully using technology for instruction and learning for both teachers and students. Values. They are the guiding purpose of the school to benefit all that are involved. Equity. No one is left behind. Every student has the equal opportunity to be successful. Diversity, the inclusion of all, no matter who they are. Digital citizenship is cybersecurity for all students, to basically think before you post. Community, the community is a big part to every school. They easily can be integrated together for many things. So what are some characteristics of well-written mission and vision statements? These statements should give everyone in the organization a vivid sense of purpose in the work that they do. These characteristics include, should focus on the academics of the students. Next, clearly expressed to get everyone excited about it. The use of powerful words. They need to be visible throughout the school environment, put into action within classrooms, and be actively communicated by the admin. What are common problems associated with the school mission and vision statements? Some educators do not know their own school or district mission and vision statements. The words can be pretty ineffective in terms of motivating people to strive for a common goal of excellence. So, a critique of my own personal professional use, thoughts, misgivings, and on mission and vision statements. With being a high school business teacher, each year we go over what mission and vision statements are. The students get to research on bigwig companies on what their company mission and vision statements are and then compare and contrast the differences. I believe that they need to be more of this roadmap for our school to be driven for excellence. I do think that it needs to be brought in more in our classrooms to make sure every stakeholder is getting involved for it, at which we are slowly adding in more every year with our new programs that are being implemented. What is your school mission and vision statement, and how does it compare to what you've learned from the research? The mission and statement for Rural Vista USD 481 is to provide quality education preparing all students to become lifelong learners and productive citizens. Compared to some of the other statements in the research, this one does seem shorter, but it gets right to the point. Our focus is to make our students real-world ready and make them active learners for the rest of their life. This is something that our district is passionate about and is driven for. What changes would you propose to your superintendent in order to make your mission and vision statement better? Even though our statement is short and sweet, I think it really gets to the point our district tries to instill in all of our students. The only thing to possibly add is the integration of more technology in the classrooms, since it's such a big part of our society now. Overall, I would not change much in our current statement, just adding one small thing. How does all this support the educational success and the well-being of each student and adult? Everyone needs educational success, no matter how big or small the success is. The little wins matter as much as the big ones. This is why the school needs the roadmap of the vision and mission statements to be the guide to the common goal to achieve. It takes a tribe to put this into action to make everyone successful and ready for the real world. The standard correlation. I did put in the standard in here. So overall, this assignment to the standard was a great introduction to vision and mission statements. Through the research that correlated with the standard showed how much impact a well-written statement can have on a school community when everyone is trying to reach the same overall goal. When reaching a same goal collectively can lead to great educational successes by everyone involved. Reflection. As a future leader of a school, this assignment has helped me. As a teacher, I've already studied and taught the basic definitions of mission and vision statements, but this has helped me learn the crucialness of a well-written and implemented mission and vision statements can have on the success of a school and its students. Lastly, districts and school statements is something that needs to be reviewed and updated often to make sure that they are reaching optimum educational success. Reflection. A future leader of a school, this assignment has helped me truly understand the big impact mission and vision statements have. Also, I feel as an administrator in the future, I would want my staff excited, inspired, and be able to uphold the role as guiders of the roadmap to educational success for all of our students in the school. Currently, as a head coach, I get excited about the little wins just as much as the big ones. I feel like this is something that could easily be transferred into an administrator role. So lastly, here's my reference page of all the references that I used throughout this slideshow presentation. And overall, I think this really added on to my understanding of mission and vision statements and how it can be put into an administrator role in the future. Thanks.